not an earthquake. A black hole just locked onto Earth. How fast do we die? And here's the question nobody asks. Would dying fast actually be the good outcome? I know what you're thinking. Instant fade to black. Boom. Bye-bye. But physics is cruel. It likes to play with its food. Look, my emergency kit is dead AA batteries and stale chips. I'm not ready for the universe to start tearing my driveway apart. The universe has zero chill. We're just sitting here paying rent, and space throws a singularity at us. Well, let's face it, things are going to get messy. It's already out there, sitting in the dark, waiting. Our galaxy is chock full of them. Over 100 million stellar black holes wandering the Milky Way, that we know of. Before a rogue black hole wipes us out, hit like and subscribe. Takes a second, costs nothing, and keeps the lab running while we calculate our doom. Fasten your seatbelts, let's roll. Until recently, we thought the nearest one was 3,000 light years away. But astronomers updated the maps. We found Gaia BH3, sitting 1,926 light years away with its companion star visible to the naked eye. These stellar black holes are the ghosts of dead stars, massive suns that burned through their fuel and collapsed. Now, they are roughly 10 miles wide, the exact distance from your house to the grocery store. Except, nobody leaves. You just fall in. And we're all about to do a whole lot of disappearing. Then you have the supermassive competition. Much, much bigger. The diameter of our entire solar system. Mass of 4 million suns. Sagittarius A star, smack dab in the middle of our galaxy. It's been there the whole time. I just conveniently forgot to mention it earlier. What were you gonna do about it anyway? Nothing. But you don't need a supermassive one to end us. The size that could destroy Earth? You could lose it between your couch cushions. Imagine a black hole the size of a pinhead, just 1 millimeter across. So when someone says size doesn't matter, they might be terrifyingly right. That tiny speck packs 11% of Earth's mass. A bunch of terrible squished into a grain of sand. As it drifts closer, we enter its pull. There is no clean exit here. The event horizon is your absolute point of no return. The exit ramp that disappears. A one-way highway with 0 off-ramps. Your GPS rerouted 3 exits ago. To escape this boundary, you'd need to travel faster than light. That's 186,000 miles per second. Good luck pulling that off in a minivan. You shouldn't hold your breath. You wouldn't even see it coming. But your dog would. They start acting strange before any billion-dollar instrument catches it. Animals feel gravitational shifts first. Pacing, whining. Dogs know when things get fishy. Then you feel it. A sickening tug. Survival instincts kick in. Your coffee spills, but it doesn't hit the floor. It pulls sideways. Earth's nearest side stretches toward the black hole first. Gravity vacuums up the loose stuff in a jiff. The atmosphere is stripped instantly, like cracking the car window at highway speed. Except the highway is a gravitational singularity. Without air pressure, your blood literally boils. Toasty, oceans vaporize into the void. Then, the bedrock gives way. Massive surface chunks rip away. You're watching continents peel off the crust and float into the dark. Great. Before the ground completely opens up, what if the black hole is patient enough to put Earth into orbit first? What comes next is somehow slower and worse. We aren't falling straight in, we're trapped in orbit, circling the cosmic drain, degrading inch by inch. The black hole's uneven gravity constantly deforms Earth. We call this tidal heating. The planet is continuously bent, stretched, and smashed. Imagine squeezing a racquetball 24/7 for years. The internal friction causes our core temperature to spike catastrophically. The heat makes a nuclear reactor look like a birthday candle. Hotter and hotter and hotter. The ground beneath your feet fractures. Global earthquakes shatter every tectonic plate. Thousands of megavolcanoes erupt simultaneously. Tsunamis hundreds of meters high sweep across whatever scorched land is barely floating. With all those sulfur-spewing volcanoes ripping open the crust, the whole planet smells like farts. The stench alone is an extinction event. Apparently, when you spend your career calculating atomic destruction, you decide to have fun with vocabulary. Let's put it on a personal scale. Say you are falling feet first. Your arms are closer to your center than your feet. Gravity pulls your bottom half exponentially faster than your top half. You get stretched vertically, compressed horizontally. Finally getting taller after years hunching over a laptop. Right up until your atoms separate. So close. Ouch. Now here is a fun twist. Supermassive black hole? You cross the event horizon feeling completely fine. No alarm, just Tuesday. Because the black hole is massively huge, the tidal forces at the edge are surprisingly weak. You drift inside without a scratch. Then, eventually, not Tuesday anymore. You've been atomized, Earth's gone. Literally. But the black hole doesn't stop with us. Something already sitting in our neighborhood has been waiting for exactly this moment. The entire solar system is destabilizing. The gravitational balance that kept everything spinning perfectly for 4.5 billion years breaks. Think of it like a perfectly balanced mobile hanging over a baby's crib. Touch just one piece and the whole thing swings into chaos. Now introduce a black hole. Jupiter gets violently knocked off its axis and slams into Saturn at 50,000 miles per hour. Two gas giants colliding in the darkness. Then there's the asteroid belt. Cosmic shrapnel floating peacefully between Mars and Jupiter. Usually it minds its own business. But the black hole's gravity drags the entire belt straight inward, right toward Earth's old zip code. We're talking over 200 known asteroids, each bigger than 60 miles across. To put it in perspective, the dinosaur killer was 6 to 9 miles across. We're talking 200 rocks, each several times larger, raining down on our crumbling crust. I complain when a pebble hits my windshield, ruined my whole day. Imagine a chunk of iron the size of Rhode Island slamming into the Pacific Ocean at 50 times the speed of sound. So there's something to look forward to. Good news is, an asteroid kills you before spaghettification kicks in. Bad news is, I just called that good news. To add insult to injury, all this shattered planetary debris eventually joins the accretion disk. A swirling hurricane of superheated gas and dust circling the drain at a fraction of light speed. The extreme friction generates massive blasts of radiation. X-rays cooking everything in sight. Even if you survived every asteroid, you wouldn't. Radiation closes the tab. The universe doesn't leave loose ends. Some stubborn optimists bring up the circumbinary hope. Planets can orbit two stars, so theoretically, Earth could find a sweet spot and orbit both the Sun and the black hole. Technically possible, except tidal forces make Earth completely uninhabitable, and we'll eventually get swallowed by the Sun or the black hole anyway. I decided not to rank those outcomes. They both stink. Everything's gone. But what if you crossed the event horizon and survived? Because what's on the other side? We genuinely don't know. That might be the most honest sentence science has ever produced. You are inside. No information escapes. None at all. Every single rule you've lived by stops being guaranteed, like playing chess with different rules on each side of the board. Except here, The stakes aren't winning or losing, they're your very existence. Gravity, light speed, atomic behavior, time itself, all potentially completely different in there. Would most of its surface be covered in volcanoes, or would it be frozen in ice? What if you traveled even further? At this point, even the wildest science fiction breaks down. We simply don't have the math for it. There are three wild possibilities. 1. A gateway to another higher dimension. 2. You pop out of a theoretical white hole into a parallel universe. A cosmic exit door spitting you out into a reality where my favorite sci-fi shows didn't get cancelled. 3. And this sounds slightly fishy, but hear me out. Some physicists propose our universe already exists inside a black hole. The Big Bang was simply something incredibly massive, falling in from outside. Meaning this entire video, the spaghettification, all of it, is happening inside something that already ate us billions of years ago. We're just poking holes in the dark, and the rest is history, folks. Just kidding. We have absolutely no idea. Let's close the loop. Fast death, getting hit by an asteroid. Slow death, spaghettification, as you fall into the black hole. Cross the event horizon, we can't define dying the same way anymore. So yeah, fast might be the good outcome. Unless the other side is better than anything we imagined, nobody would know. We're in a quiet corner of the galaxy. Sagittarius A star is 26,000 light-years away, and mostly well-behaved. Mostly. But every time we map out what could destroy us, we learn how fragile the balance is. Gravity, distance, timing, 4.5 billion years of it working exactly right. That's either terrifying or impressive. Probably both. What if we flew into a black hole on purpose? Think you could handle it? Look, if you want to find out what else could wipe us out in the nick of time, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps the channel survive the algorithm. The universe has laws, but we're here to push them to the breaking point. I'm Rabo, and the lab is always open. Catch you on the next one.